Here is how to link the responses of a Google form to Google Sheets. So let's get started. First, you have to come to the form whose responses you'll want to link. Then once you've come to the form, just click on Responses. It's the second tab over here. And here you can see all the responses that you've already received. And on the top right, you'll see this option, Link to Sheets. So click on this. And here we have two options. We can either create a new spreadsheet and we can just rename it over here. Or if you want to link it to an existing spreadsheet, you can do that as well from the second option. So if you link to an existing spreadsheet, it will create a new sheet under that spreadsheet and add all the responses. For now, I'll just create a new one. I've named it this, and I'll just click on Create. And as you can see, in this sheet, I've got a table of all the responses. And this table is live, so every time someone submits the form, their response will automatically get added in a new row. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.